quality across Delhi NCR is already deteriorating. Pollution levels moving towards the very poor category. Deepavali is also approaching, and the festive week could see a further spike because firecrackers add to the existing mix of stubble smoke, dust as well as vehicular emissions, making the capital's air heavier in the days after the festival. Now, according to private air quality monitor and forecaster AQI, the air quality in the national capital currently falls under the severe category. It has recorded an AQI of 257 as at 7 a.m. Now, the air quality early warning system for Delhi has also pegged the AQI as slightly higher at 274. On Saturday, a day before the Choti Diwali, several localities in Delhi had also recorded an air quality in the very poor category with the overall AQI of 255. And Niyamika continues to stay live with us. And Niyamika, we've spoken the previous year as well, and the air quality has remained one of the concerns for people in the Delhi NCR region. Often, though, firecrackers would be attributed to it, mostly the air quality, even though there are other reasons that contribute heavily to it. What is the condition like today, and what is the forecast coming in today, because some celebrations have already begun?
Well, yes, indeed, Pratibha, as every year we see the same problem for the citizens of the national capital. The manner in which pollution level goes up ahead of the Diwali celebration. Now, it seems like it is going to be deteriorated in the upcoming days as well, because during the Diwali celebration, it is much expected that the air quality is going to further deteriorate, and that is what is being predicted by various by the apps, as well as per the data which is being given by the Sameer app. Currently, the air quality index stands at a very poor category, crossing the mark of 250, as in several of the regions within the national capital it has also gone across the 300 mark. So that for that reason now CAQM has also implemented Grab First regulations in the national capital, which has put several of the restrictions, including there is at the various parts of the national capital in the Delhi NCR areas, there are water sprinkling machines which have also been put up here, and even the construction sites have also been asked to to do water sprinkling time to time, so that the dust cannot cause more air pollution in the national capital. However, several of the people are also making this complaint of feeling uneasiness in the eyes, as well as there is irritation in the eyes as well as in throat due to the rising air pollution in the national capital. However, this time due to the favorable weather conditions, it is much better than the previous years. Also, for that reason, we have seen that in the past few years, the air quality index used to cross the mark of 350, but this time it is it is much lower than the last year as well. But as per the prediction which is being done by IMD, as well as per the conditions of the air quality, it is expected that the air quality index is further going to deteriorate in the next upcoming days.
Okay, all right. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with those details. Often every year we see firecrackers and Deepavali really bearing the brunt, though stubble burning continues unabated. This time the Supreme Court allowing the use of green firecrackers. We're keeping a track of what the